Like That doesn't make no sense.
He wanted y'all to win.
You. Pretty good.
That's like the only thing we all is y'all just have to have like a guy. Like y'all gotta be like aware of like who's up and who's bad.
Yeah, it's just the only thing because Brad wants to play up.
Because like you have 4 forwards on your line, and he's like, well, Noah's a defender, and Brad's a defender. Brad started playing for us. Like they play like forwards. I hate to break it to you.
Me, Brad, and Jeremy.
Yeah, and we have none.
And you have you.
Yeah, I've won 2 draws all tournament.
Just run into the guy in front of you.
Literally, all you have to do, he doesn't meet every single time.
Yeah, but they might call it.
You want to call that.
The ref.
Dude, I scored against Black Ice, dude. Like, y'all know who you're talking about.
Get it.
He sold it.
And you're both busy all the time. Exactly. Not to mention whoever made the money around here.
There's no way she's playing pro team.
Nice.
No, and rolling.
She is?
Yeah.
For who?
She played.
Playing with Road Runner. Where are you going? Go get your gun. Yeah, maybe you should learn from that.
No, every time I pass the puck, it's a goal.
Yeah, you should
And
learn.
then every time a pass gets him, I tell him I'll get him a buffet of dumplings if he wins. That'll motivate him.
I still owe AJ a donut.
For what? Scoring against Black Ice?
I told him for every time he scores this tournament, he gets a donut. Or he gets a donut.
They score? Oh, yeah. This game, bro. They're not winning anymore. Time out now. They got Flo Moon. He's in a game.
But me and Quimby, if we had lost last night, we were gonna go straight to that game, bro. We were gonna go try to get it. Because we don't get to watch any of the pro games.
Right there in the middle.
Good game.
2 seconds.
That's game.
2 seconds.
Down with this.
Is there such thing? Come on, bud. Get your body. Okay. Come on, bud.
Watch Detroit!